Find the coefficient of the term that contains x to the fourth in the expansion of the binomial shown. And here we have 2x minus y all to the 10th power. There's a special formula to use for these types of situations. It's a series formula. Let me go ahead and write it on here. So there's the sigma for the series, and then r equals 0 to n, and n is actually the power here, so that's 10. And then it's going to be n combination r, and then times a to the n minus r times b to the r. So the a is the 2x and the b is the negative y. So let's substitute everything in here that we know. So r equals 0 to 10 NCR. That's going to be 10 combination r. And then the a is the 2x, so it's going to be times 2x to the 10 minus r, filling in the n there. And then the b is the negative y, so times negative y to the r. So to finish filling in the formula, we want the x to the fourth power to apply to this 2x. We want 10 minus r to equal 4. So 10 minus r equals 4. And 10 minus 6 equals 4, so r equals 6. Now we're not going to do the full binomial expansion, we just want the one term. So I'm going to take this series formula and just use r equals 6. So it's going to be 10 combination 6 of 2x to the 10 minus 6 power times negative y to the 6th power. So 10 combination 6, let's use a calculator for that. So 10, and then over to the probability menu. Combination 6 to 10. So 210 times 2x to the fourth times negative y to the 6th. Let's distribute this fourth power. 210 times 16, x to the fourth, and then it's going to be y to the positive 6 actually. So we need to do 210 times 16, and that'll say the coefficient for this term. $33.60. So 3360 is the coefficient of the term, and here's what the whole term would be. X to the fourth, y to the sixth. So 3360, x to the fourth, y to the sixth would be the full term, but the question is just asking for the coefficient. Now these problems are kind of complicated because you have to substitute in the beginning for the first term and the last term, and also you substitute in the 10 for the number of terms that you have, and you have to figure out the r based on the exponent that you want for the variable. So that was this x to the fourth, so 10 minus r equals 4. And then from there it's just all simplification.